There's one really, really dumb mistake that a lot of Amazon sellers are doing that actually is losing a ton of us a ton of money. And the truth is, I'm making this video because it's affecting every single one of us when you actually do that. It's a really, really simple thing, and it has to do with the buy box being suppressed. You should not be scared of the buy box being suppressed. Sometimes Amazon lets you sell a product, gives you a buy box for a product that is selling at $28, and then for 2 weeks they suppress the buy box, but the sales velocity is still there. However, every single repricer has a feature that lets you, just like this, just like this feature that you see right there, okay, that will attempt to unsuppress the buy box. Every single repricer has one. I mean, the two that I use, Be Cool and Aura. Turn that shit up, please, and send this to every single Amazon seller that you know. Turn that shit off, because all you're going to do is tank the price. We can 100% sell without the buy box. We can sell when the buy box is suppressed. Stop doing that. You're just tanking the price. You're just it doesn't make any sense, right? Amazon is bipolar with when they decide to suppress the buy box or not. Stop suppressing the buy box. Just turn that off. Make sure that you turn that off on Aura. Make sure that you turn that off on Be Cool. Do not tank the price just to find a buy box. Your item will sell just fine with the buy box suppressed. Just target the lowest price. Most AI will do it if you turn that off. Just do that, okay? And send this to all the Amazon sellers that you know, because I'm tired of this bullshit. Literally, there's a lead that I'm on right now, and I mean, the volume is crazy on this lead, so it's fine. Everybody is going to sell out. All the people that actually have this on will actually sell out. But I don't like the fact that it's by default on most repricer. Also, just send that to everybody, just a PSA. Just send this to every single Amazon sellers that you know, because I'm tired of you guys tanking my leads and fucking up my volume for 2 days whenever a buy box is suppressed. All right, yeah, it pissed me off. So I'll see you tomorrow for a new video.